Today I'm bringing you an application called Power Automate for Microsoft. This application allows you to perform a lot of tasks automatically and or automate your task. Today I'm going to try to basically automate a task for cleaning up my Excel file automatically if I want to do it on a daily basis. So I'm going to go first to my web browser and just type download Power Automate desktop for me to download the application. Go to the first link, powerautomate.com or powerautomate.microsoft.com. Then just go and click start free from the middle screen, and then just go and download the Power Automate installer. It's 200 meg. You just have to make sure you have an admin account. Download the application, install it. Pretty simple, straight wizard. Once you have the application installed, you would have the icon on desktop looking like that, Power Automate. Double click it for you to open up the interface. You must have a Microsoft account like Outlook or Hotmail or Live.com for you to be able to sign in. Once you're signed in with an account, just go and create on the workflow. So go in the top left and create new workflow. I'm going to create the workflow and call it ETL, which is extract, transform, and load process for cleaning up my Excel file. That will open up another interface for me where I'll be utilizing a feature called the desktop record that will record my steps and save all the flows automatically. I'm not going to bother about all these different options in here. It might require some scripting knowledge. Instead, I'm going to go and choose it from the top desktop recorder. Once that will open up another little panel for me, so I'm going to drag it to the right hand side in here, and then I'm ready right now. I'm going to also drag it a little bit in the top so I make sure I can see the finish and the record, and then I'm going to click record, and then I'm going to go and open up my Excel file called test file. Then I'm going to just close this little window. Then I'm going to just delete this row. Let's say I don't like this row, delete it. Let's say I want to delete this column as well, and let's say I want to do that on a daily basis. I just call this and also click delete. Let's say I'm done. I'm going to go file, then click save as, then go and click desktop. Let's say I'm going to call test file version 2, then click save. Let's say I'm done. I'm just going to close the application and then click finish. So right now the workflow should have been automated and already been inserted in my workflow. I mean all the steps in my workflow. So as you can see, all the steps has been inserted automatically. Now I'm just going to delete the file that I just created, the test file 2, and instead I will save this first. Once it saves, I will run it, and then I will see if it works. And if it works, basically we're done. You can just automate the task by just going and clicking on this task every day. So I'm going to close this as saved. Then I'm going to go back to my interface. I'm going to just minimize it a little bit, and then I'm just going to go and click run in here. It's trying to download the flows that I just recorded for me, and as you will see that it will minimize the screen automatically, and it will go and perform the task. See, right now it's opened up the Excel file, close this, it deleted this row, then it should delete the column for me, then delete the second column for me, then it should save the file. See, it's all done by itself. It will rename it, it will save it, then it will close it. Done. Bang. See, now it finished. It even says flow completed successfully. So as if I can go back, see, it's already not running right now, so it's done. So it's pretty cool, guys. Give it a try. You will save you a ton of work. Definitely, if you want to schedule this run task to, let's say, you run a specific time in the morning, you would have to have a premium account with Power Automate using the cloud version, because you can schedule an instant cloud flow from the cloud flow of Power Automate, but you need to have a premium account. It will give you also 3 months of trial if you want to give it a try.